everyone, welcome to the Osyanda channel. This channel is part of the Osyanda project, the project that we're trying to work upon in Africa. We want to build the first computer in Africa, built with all parts assembled from Africa. Yes, the pieces that are on this channel will be describing the software that's on the GitHub repo. Yes, the content that's going to be on this channel will describe the pieces that are on the GitHub repo. The pieces of code on the repo describe the operating system that will actually sit on the computer. Yes, in the coming time, we are going to kick off the hardware development of the computer. Yes, it is really a revolutionary project because we want to build a computer from Africa. Yes, special thanks to the GNU project, the Free Software Foundation, because they have enabled, the compilers that we are going to be using are from the Free Software Foundation, that is GCC compilers and assemblers. Yes, so without wasting time, we are going to be building the software that's on the repo. Yes, so we'll begin with a special package that is used to install development software that runs on the GNU Linux operating system. So without wasting time, let's install the softwares. We'll begin with build essential. This package comes with all the required software that you need to build programs on a GNU Linux system. That includes the C compilers, GCC, the C++ compilers, and many more. So we install it. Build essential. Let's accept it by clicking yes, and we'll begin. So the software that is required to build software on the GNU Linux system, as you can see, this package comes with a lot of software. So we can see GCC, libc, some libraries that are required. I will skip a bit for this part, for the software to install. I'll be back in a few. Yes, so the build essential package is done installing. We're going to read another piece that is part of the build essential software. This software is called multilib, GCC multilib. Okay, it will be in line with the GCC compiler, as we can test. GCC has already been installed. Yes, so GCC multilib will enable us to build 32-bit programs. Yes, 32-bit code. This is because the operating system, the stage that it has reached on is a 32-bit stage, so we would want to use the 32-bit compilers to generate for us 32-bit code. In the coming time, the system will move to 64-bit. Yes, which the project is currently working on. So to install that, we run the following command: GCC multilib. Yes, we leave that to run. Yes, so this package will give us the capability of compiling 32-bit code, because initially this computer is a 64. This operating system that has been installed is a 64-bit. Yes. More in the time to come, we're going to be learning a lot of things. Please, I would like you to subscribe to the channel. Keep updated. More information is coming on the way. Yes, right now we've installed the GCC multilib compiler. Yes, this will enable us to build a 32-bit program because, yeah, like I'd said before, the operating system is running on 32-bit. Yes, thank you for watching this far. I'm going to be making another video of installing the box software, which is also required for running the operating system. Yes, so for this box software, I'm going to make a separate video for it. What basically this software does, it simulates a computer. So you can specify what you want your computer to have, like memory, type of CPU, and the hard disk, all of that that's contained on the computer. Yes, so it simulates the whole computer, yeah, the whole PC. Yes, so I'll be giving it a video of its own because it's a bit hectic to install. It's in fact a try and error because you install some libraries that belong to the box software, and when you run the system it gives you some more errors. So I'll make a video about box. We install it successfully and then we can start on the building and running of the software. Yes, thank you for watching the video this far. Please show some love by subscribing. Cheerio. Love you all.